As every language has its own libraries, and to be a good developer, it is not essential to learn all the libraries. Therefore, there are some libraries that every developer should know and learn well. So, hey guys, welcome everyone to Learn Overflow. In this video, we'll be discussing about the top Python libraries that every developer should learn and know well. Moving on to the first one, we have TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is one of the most prominent libraries for Python application. It was launched by Google. It is a free, open source Python machine learning library that allows developer to work with numerical computations. If we just talk about its features, then TensorFlow uses automatic high performance APIs. It offers an intermediate iteration of machine learning models. This library features eager execution, which allows you to create, manipulate machine learning models and make the debugging way easier. With TensorFlow, we can easily imagine each and every part of the graph. Moving forward, next up in the list is Numpy. So Numpy is also known as the most popular machine learning library in Python. Numpy is generally used for scientific computations. TensorFlow and other libraries use Numpy within for performing multiple operations on tensors. Array interface is the best and most prominent features of Numpy. If we just discuss the features of NumPy in a bit details, then NumPy makes complex mathematical implementation very simple. Also, it makes coding real simple and understanding the concepts is easy. The Python package provides useful tool for integration. You can easily integrate NumPy with programming languages such as C, C++, and Fortran code. It is broadly used. Therefore, a lot of open source contributions can be seen on NumPy. Up next in the list is SkyPy. Okay, so SkyPy is also a machine learning library. This is used for both application developers and engineers. SkyPy is one of the core packages that offer up the SkyPy stack. It provides many user-friendly and effective numerical methods such as methods for numerical integration and optimization. If we just discuss the features for SkyPy, then SkyPy fulfills the efficient numerical routines like optimization, numerical integration. All the functions in all submodules of SkyPy are well documented. That's most important about SkyPy features. It also makes the best use of NumPy arrays for general data structures. In fact, NumPy is an integrated part of SkyPy. SkyPy can handle one-dimensional polynomials in two ways. Whether you use poly 1D class from NumPy or you can use coefficient arrays to do the job. Up next in the list is Keras. Keras is recognized as one of the coolest machine learning library in Python. People who want to learn deep neural networks, Keras is really a good option for them. Talking about the features of Keras, Keras being a modular in nature is amazingly expressive, flexible, and well suited for innovative research. It doesn't only support neural networks, but also provides a fully supportive environment for convolutional and recurrent neural network. It runs smoothly on both CPU and GPU. This Python library features a variety of implementation from neural network forming blocks such as functions, layers, optimizers, objectives, and others. Moving on to the fifth in the list is Pandas. So Pandas is a machine learning library in Python that gives data structure of high level and a broad variety of tools for analysis. One of the great features of this library is the capability to translate complex operations with data using one or two commands. Talking about the features of Pandas, so Pandas make sure that the entire process of manipulating data will be easier. Smart alignment and indexing feature in Pandas offer you a perfect optimization in data leveling. Pandas have some special features that allow you to handle missing data or value with proper measure. This package offers you such a clean code that even people with no or basic programming knowledge can easily work with it. Up next, the sixth in the list and the last in this video is PyTorch. PyTorch is the biggest machine learning library and a popular web open source framework for machine learning and deep learning. This machine learning library is used in Torch, which is an open source machine library performed in C with a wrapper in Lua. Talking about the features, PyTorch can be used with other popular libraries as well. You can easily integrate it with libraries or packages like Python or Number. PyTorch uses Torch script, which offers flexible and simple eager mode. You can evaluate different functions and operations instantly. While in the graph mode, PyTorch provides absolute transitioning fast optimizations, and offers a C++ runtime environment. PyTorch is a good support for async execution for cumulative operations. This way, you can boost up your project performance. So that was the list of all the libraries that every developer should know. Just a small recap. If I just tell you what are the libraries I spoke about, the first one was TensorFlow. Moving on to the next was Numpy. Then we spoke about Skype. Then we spoke about Keras. Then we talked a bit about Pandas, and at the last, we talked about PyTorch. So these are the top Python libraries that every programmer or developer should learn. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video. But don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. Also, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get notified about all my upcoming videos. Thank you, everyone.